Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have an update on those that have the system, your PC, unable to boot after the January patch Tuesday. And Microsoft has done an investigation to see what exactly is happening, and they find that the reason behind this is due to the December update. And what they say is that PCs that this January could not boot were having issues installing the December update. And what happened is that the December update, when it failed to install, was of course rolled back. But it rolled back and left the PC and the Windows install in a state that made it possible for the next update of January to reach a moment where it just can't boot anymore. So Microsoft says what they are doing is working on a fix that will change and look at how things are happening during Windows updates, especially when you have a failed update that rolled back, to make sure that in future updates, this state of being in the wrong, maybe having like corrupt files, things like that, being in a wrong state, as they call it, will prevent boot up of the machines. So hopefully this will, and they do say that hopefully they will lower the amount of PCs that can boot up after an update when this happens. So we'll see if this helps. But if it does actually give a new update that actually fixes the fact that your system might not boot up, it actually could be a good idea. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.